What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Intentions and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Alright, so with the chords, there's only 3 chords for this. First chord is going to be an A, then an S sharp minor, pretty easy to do, and the next chord is going to be a D. Okay, so A, sharp minor, and D. Here's a little example of the strum pattern, then I'll teach it to you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I do want to note that this tutorial is more relaxed strumming. You guys can still play it with the song, just you're going to have to play it a little faster. But starting with A, we're going to go down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then S sharp minor is going to go down, up, then right to D, down, up, down, up, down. Then S sharp minor again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then go back to A. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just keep playing it. And that is pretty much it to play the song. Now if you want to get it exact, then of course you're going to play it faster. But if you're just trying to sing with it and just kind of, make it your own, then that's all you really need to know. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and also check out the guitar version of this. But I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.